Wow, this was a terrible idea. I can't see in here.
It's that time of the week again, guys. Today we are replacing your nasty halogen license plate bulbs with full replacement LEDs. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock. Not sure which corner that actually goes in, but it's time to get started. First thing we have to do is pop open the trunk, and we're going to be removing 4 retaining clips that are holding in this top portion of the trunk trim. There's 3 on this edge here and then 1 above the trunk latch. Once those are off, you can just pull this trunk trim down, and that will reveal the back side of where those license plate lights are. Now we can undo the lights by just turning them counterclockwise and sliding them out on both sides. And then you'll see that there are 4 8mm nuts that are holding in the trunk trim that we'll need to pull off to get the housings off. So go ahead and unscrew those. Quick tip, be careful when you're unscrewing these nuts because you don't want to drop them inside of your trunk because it's going to be a very big hassle to try and get them out. With the nuts removed, we can now pull this trunk trim off. All that's holding it in place now are some clips, so we just need to firmly pull it straight back and we should be able to pull it off. With the trunk trim out of the way, now we can remove the OEM housings by pressing on this clip here and pushing up. Then you can pull it out from the top. Then you'll take your new housings and carefully pop them into place. Then you'll pop your OEM bulb out and slide the connection for your new housings into the slot. Do this to both sides, reinstall your trunk trim, and voila. That's all I've got for this week, guys. Quick note, you want to make sure those lights are working before you put everything back together. If they don't seem to be working after you've installed them, you may have the polarity reversed, so unplug them, flip the connector around, and plug it back in, and that will usually fix your issues. That being said, you now know how to turn this eyesore into this. Super easy install, not too expensive. Check out the link down in the description, and if you guys have any more 2-Minute Tuesday suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. But I'll see you guys next week. There's 3 on this edge here and then 1 on top of the hood latch. Oh, this is a fucking truck latch.